Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to share with you a nail haul. I know you guys enjoy seeing where I buy nail supplies from, or nail art for that matter. I have two stores that I want to share with you today. Of course, AliExpress, which has reasonably priced items, as well as Red Iguana for their practice hand that looks so real. Anyways, I'm gonna get started by showing you the items, and I'll go through where I got them from, and I'll also give you the discount code for Red Iguana, the 10% one. So I'm gonna start with showing you my AliExpress haul. So first of all, from AliExpress, I have these display tips for my gel polishes for the swatches. So I'm just going to pull them out and show you them here. Of course, these ones are clear, as you can see. And in each package there is 50, and you can see it has the ring in order to hold them, and that is where the holes are at the top that the ring goes through. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, so it was a set of 200, and it came as a set of 200, so I'll have that link in the description for that one. So the next thing I'm going to show you, I ended up getting this selfie ring light. I thought it'd be really good for taking pictures to have that little extra light. So this ring light attaches to the end of my iPhone. I shoot all my videos with my iPhone, so it's just going to give me that little extra light. And as you can see on the end here is the switch to turn it on, and at the back is the battery compartment, and you do have to add your own batteries to it once you get it. So there's 3 levels of the light, which is nice, so you can have it on dimmer or brighter, whatever you need. So right here is where you clip it onto your iPhone. I'd show you, but I am videoing with my iPhone right now, so I'm not able to, but that's where it goes on the end of your iPhone. So I'm just going to grab the next item I purchased. I thought this was a really great purchase. I really needed this. I have my Red Iguana practice hand, and I needed something on my table that I could hold it with while I'm videoing, because I find it's falling all over the place. So I thought this would be perfect. I will show you the actual clip, and then I will show you my Red Iguana practice hand attached to it to show you how it works. So of course it screws up, and of course that's going to allow you to clip it onto whatever table you use. Go as wide as you need it to be, and here is the end piece. So the clip is just going to screw right into that end piece, and it'll be secured in there then. So I'm just going to show you it on my desk with my practice hand in it to show you how well it's going to hold it while I'm videoing. So here's the clamp attached to my nail desk, and of course there's the flexible arm on it, so you can have it wherever you want. And here it is with my Red Iguana practice hand, and I'll have that practice hand link in the description if you guys want to buy it. It is so realistic, and I have a 10% off code for Red Iguana. Anyway, so this is it up close if I was videoing. So the next items I want to share with you is a kit from the Red Iguana site, and in this kit is the practice tips. They're the longer ones, and you get so many, and it also has the Gorilla Glue, the gel glue, and that also, like I said, comes with the kit. So now I'm going to open up the tip bag, and we'll see how many different sizes come in the actual kit. So it looks like number 6, number 7, a number 9, a number 1, and it looks like another number 6. So 6 must be used the most on for sizing on the tips. And the other thing that comes in the kit is a primer for the silicone hand, and you have to have this on the practice hand, and it's saying that you have to put a thin layer, let it dry for 30 seconds, and then you apply a second thin layer, and then you let that dry, and that's when you'd be applying that Gorilla Glue and sticking that tip on. And I also bought this is separate. It's the Red Iguana peel off base, and I really like this base. You see me using Red Iguana practice hand in a lot of my videos, and I always apply this peel off base so that I don't have to remove the nails each time, so it works really well. And again, I have a 10% off code for Red Iguana. You can see it up on the screen. Definitely use it, because if you're going to buy that practice hand and all these products, it really helps out on the cost. Thanks again, everyone, for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.